In this video we will show you how to lay corduroy warning area in the simple and correct way. The tactile bars above must have a luminance contrast of 0.8 in relation to the colors of the floor, and we will use our bright indicators here to meet the contrast requirement. If in doubt, get in touch. Equipment required is a bucket, 2 cloths, ST Naturens, and the correct number of ST28 tactile bars, and our attention field template. Clean the walking area with regular water before applying the ST Naturens. ST Naturens is a natural cleaning detergent that dissolves contaminants, degreases, and is effective without damaging the surface. The product is water-based and made from renewable raw materials. You don't need to wear gloves or mask. Start by measuring the width of the area. Use our corduroy warning area calculator to find the nearest width and the correct number of tactile bars to be mounted. The width of this staircase in this example is 124 centimeters wide. Hence we choose the 120 width, which in reality measures 118 centimeters. Pull in 3 centimeters on each side to center the area and mark this with a piece of tape. In this case, we place the corduroy warning area a little on the inside of where the floor meets the stairs. Peel off the glue cover paper by using a wallpaper knife. Make sure the floor is completely dry before applying the tactile bars. Place the first tactile bar in the left corner without removing the cover paper for measuring purposes. Place the template and measure it in the right place. Attach with 4 pieces of tape and start mounting. For wider areas, we recommend that you overlap with the entire indicator inside of the template to be sure to get the corduroy warning area straight. Continue this process until the wanted area has been covered. After finishing, step on the tactile bars to give the glue an even better grip. The corduroy warning area may be stepped on directly after completion, but will need up to 12 hours to harden perfectly. Feel free to contact us and visit our website for more products and advice at smarttactiles.com.